The Rimac Nevera, a Croatian electric hypercar, redefines performance with four independent electric motors delivering instantaneous torque and blistering acceleration. Its 120 kilowatt-hour battery powers a 0 to 60 miles per hour time under 1.9 seconds, while a precision aerodynamics package sustains high-speed stability. Beyond raw speed, Nevera showcases advanced software, torque vectoring, and sophisticated thermal management that preserves peak performance during track sessions. Historically, Rimac emerged from small Croatian workshops to become a pioneering force in sustainable hypercars, shaping EV design and drawing collaborations with global automakers. Culturally, it signals a new era where electric power reshapes racing narratives, challenging enthusiasts to redefine what a race car can be.